how to wear multiple hair on Roblox. So if you want to wear multiple hair on Roblox, then first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and search for Roblox. Once you've logged in, now you just need to go for the upper left, which has that three bat icon. Go for the avatar. Once you're here on the avatar, now you just need to go for the head and body, and then go for hair. And here you will have all of the hair, right, that you have. So you can simply click on any one of your hairs, and if you click on the other hair, then it will switch the hair instead of adding that hair. So what you need to do is right click on that, and then you need to open it in a new tab. So click on open link in new tab and go for the new tab, and here you will have that hair, right? So what you need to do is here on the upper side you will have a number, so you just need to copy that number. So simply copy the number. Once you've copied, go back to the website or go back to your Roblox, and here you just need to go for advanced option. Go for the advanced, which is here on the bottom. Click on advanced, and here you need to enter the asset ID which you have just copied. So enter the ID and click on save, and click on save again, and your accessories has been saved. So here you can see that you have two hairs. But let me tell you one thing, that you will not be able to add more than two hairs. The limit is only two. So if you want to add two hairs, then simply go for the advanced option, and then you can add your ID number and your hair will be added. So that's how you can add multiple hairs on Roblox. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.